You are prettier in person.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, don't make me feel old.
So what should I call you?
Musa.
You seem too rich to notice ordinary girls. I notice what I want.
And what do you want?
You. Chioma, can I be honest with you? Why do you sound like you're about to judge me? Because something is not adding up. Your life changed overnight. Is it a crime to glow up? Yeah. Not when it looks like someone is controlling the glow. No. His name is Chief Kunle.
Guys, have you been wondering how people are creating all these trending AI videos that is taking all over the internet now? So today I'll be teaching you how to create these AI videos using free tools, and the sweetest part of it is you can monetize it, both Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. That's just the sweetest part of it. So today I'll be teaching you step by step on how to create these trending AI videos. So guys, let's proceed.
The first thing you will do is head over to ChatGPT to get your story first. So when you go to ChatGPT, you type your story. But I've already written my song here, so I just copied and paste. So you ask ChatGPT, I want you to act as a professional storyteller and script writer. You can actually pause and read mine. So after that, you allow ChatGPT to generate the story for you. You allow you to load. Then this is my story, the one ChatGPT generated for me. So you have to go through it, you scroll it and check if there are mistakes or not. Carefully cross-check it very well so that there won't be any mistake anywhere. So this is me just cross-checking my story, making sure everything is okay and there is no mistake. So I was just cross-checking the story ChatGPT gave me. Yes. So after that, after cross-checking it, I noticed there was no title. So I asked ChatGPT to add the title for me, the title of the story. I asked ChatGPT to add the title for me. So yeah, ChatGPT added title, and the name of the title is The Price of Soft Life. The Price of Soft Life. So that was the title ChatGPT gave me. Then I have to cross-check it again to make sure everything is right, no mistake. Please, when cross-checking, carefully cross-check very well to avoid mistake. So after that, I asked ChatGPT to provide image prompt. Provide image prompt for me for all the characters. So I allow it to load. Yes, so here ChatGPT provided the image prompt that we use to generate image for the characters. One thing I like about ChatGPT makes work easy. If you're a content creator, make sure you're using ChatGPT because it will make work easy for you. Then you head over to Google and search for Wix AI. Yeah, search for Wix AI. That's the app you'll be using to generate your image. It's 100% free. So you scroll and look for the one having Wix AI, or you can see Google Lamps. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, you allow it to load. Then after loading, you sign in with your Gmail. Yeah, you sign in with your Gmail. So once you click on the Gmail you're using, you allow it to load as well. You allow it to load. So after loading, you click on new project. So after clicking on the new project, what you have to do, you go back to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt ChatGPT gave you. Then you copy it. Once you copy it, you head back to Wix AI and paste. Once you paste it, you click enter. Once you click enter, you allow it to load. One thing about Wix AI, it normally gives you 2 images, so you choose one from the 2. So I'll be choosing the first image here. I'll be choosing the first image. So after choosing the first image, you save. You click on 1K original size, you save it. You can choose any image of your choice, so you save it. Okay, click on opening. So I'll save to my file. Yeah, so after saving it, you go back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt. You copy the second prompt. Once you copy the second prompt, you go back to Wix AI and paste as well. So once you paste, you click on enter. You allow it to load as well. It will take some minutes. You allow it to load. One thing I like about these apps, they are all free. When I mean free, they are 100% free. You're not paying for anyone, and this is good for new content creators that don't have money to purchase paid apps. So this one is 100% free. So once it's done loading, you choose any image of your choice. So I'm waiting for the second one to load. So I think I'll be going with the first one. So after selecting it, you save as well. You save it. Okay. You save. So after saving it, go back to ChatGPT and type generate the image prompt with all the characters in each scene, maintaining image consistency. So ChatGPT will bring it out for you. I just like ChatGPT because it always makes work easy. So after it, you copy the first prompt, then you head back to Wix AI, you paste, then click on enter. Allow it to load as usual. Allow it to load. After loading, you have your image. Then you select any one of your choice. You can just open the two images, then you select the one you like. Yeah, you select the one you like. If you pay attention, you understand that it is not hard to create these trending AI videos. Just pay attention. So you download the video, you save. So after saving it, you head back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt. Once you copy it, you go back to Wix AI. Then you paste and click enter. Then you allow it to load. Yes. After loading, it will generate the image for you. So after generating the images, because it's normally two, you save. You click on 1K original size, then you save it. So after saving it, you head back to ChatGPT to copy the next prompt. So you copy the next prompt, you go back to Wix AI, you paste, then you allow it to load. So after loading, your image is ready. Then you select the one of your choice. You select it, then you save. Yes. So after saving, you head back to ChatGPT and type generate each scene dialogue for me. Yes, that's what you ask ChatGPT to do for you. So after typing it, you send. You see, just ChatGPT will make everything easy for you. Just know how to use it. It will make work easy for you. So this is it. This is it. So you scroll and cross check very well. You cross check it very well to make sure there is no mistake. Cross check very well. So after cross check, you copy the first dialogue. Yes. So once you copy it, you go to YouTube. You go to YouTube. So once you go to YouTube, you click on the plus sign. If you click on the plus sign, you click on that sign showing up. So once you click on that sign, you click on create video. Then click add image. Yes, so you select your first image. You select your first image. After selecting it, you paste your first prompt. So after pasting it, you arrange it properly. You arrange it properly. Yes. So after arranging it, you type characters should speak using Nigerian accent. That's what you will type, so that it will give you Nigerian accent. If you did not type it, they will give you other accents. So that's what you will type. Okay. So after typing it, you click enter. Then you allow it to load. Mind you, this YouTube is free. You're not paying for it. It's free and it's unlimited. So that's why I said all the apps you'll be using here, they are totally free. You're not paying for anyone. So you allow it to load. You allow it to load. It will take a little time. So you allow it to load. Okay. All right. So it's loading. It will load to 100. Yeah. So after loading, this is what you will have.
I'm tired, I beg. Everything in this Lagos is expensive. Welcome to adulthood. Now, why smart girls know they suffer? You people are stressing too much. Not every money is clean, Sandra. I bet leave morality for poor people. See my landlord threatening me again. I haven't even paid school fees for my younger brother. Then stop suffering. One good connection can change your life overnight. At what cost? You ask too many questions.
After that, you copy and paste your second prompt. Yes, so after pasting it, you click enter. Then you allow it to load. You allow it to load. Yes, so after loading, this is what you will get.
Look at this. Oh, 500K. I told you girls, men are investments.
After that, you click add image, then you add your second image. Then you go back to ChatGPT, you copy your next prompt. So you copy your next prompt. Once you copy your next prompt, you go back to Wix AI. You go back to Wix AI, then you paste. When you paste your prompt, you arrange it, then you still type the character should speak using Nigerian accent. That's what you will type. Okay. So after typing it, you click enter. Then you allow it to load. You allow it to load. After loading, this is what you will get when it's done loading.
You are prettier in person.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, don't make me feel old.
So what should I call you?
After that, you go back to ChatGPT, you copy the remaining prompt, because if you did not divide it and copy all the dialogue, it will give you different things. So that's why I like dividing it. Then after you copy it and you paste, yes, so you paste it. After pasting it, you click enter, then allow it to load as usual. So make sure you have strong network. Make sure you have strong network so that it will not delay while loading. So you allow it to load. After loading, you have this as well.
Musa,
You seem too rich to notice ordinary girls. I notice what I want.
and what do you want?
You.
The next thing to do is go to CapCut. That's where you'll be combining all your videos. Yes, for the editing work, you'll be using CapCut. So once you go to CapCut, you select those videos you have generated already. You select all the videos one after the other. Select it accordingly, one after the other. After selecting it, you allow it to load. So after loading, this is what you will get.
I'm tired, I beg. Everything in this Lagos is expensive. Welcome to adulthood. And why smart girls know they suffer? You people are stressing too much. Not every money is clean, Sandra. I bet leave morality for poor people. See my landlord threatening me again. I haven't even paid school fees for my younger brother. Then stop suffering. One good connection can change your life overnight. At what cost? You ask too many questions. Look at this. Oh, Mo, 500K. I told you girls, men are investments.
You are prettier in person.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, don't make me feel old.
So what should I call you?
Musa,
You seem too rich to notice ordinary girls. I notice what I want.
and what do you want?
You.
So you highlight the last part, which is showing CapCut logo, then you delete it. Then you click on add text so that you can add watermark to your video. So once you click on enter text, then you type in your channel name. Mine is My Family Diary. So you type it. After typing it, you choose any template of your choice. So I choose cloud. You choose any template, you drag it down. You can place it whichever way you like. Yes, you can adjust. So after that, I choose cloud. You can choose any template of your choice. Then you minimize it to fit in. Yes, you minimize. Yes. Then you drag it to any position of your choice. Yes, so you drag it, you extend it to all the videos. Okay, so you adjust.
My younger brother. Then stop suffering. One good connection can change your life overnight. At what cost? You ask too many.
Yes, so after adjusting it, this is what
You are prettier in person.
have. And that's it. The next thing, click export, then you allow your video to save. Yes, you allow it to save, and you are all done. You're done. So if you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you will get interesting videos like this. Bye.